Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to show and hide formula bar in Excel. So this is very easy to do it. So firstly you need to click on here file and here options. Now here click on advanced. Now scroll down and in here display you see this show formula bar. So check this box to show it and uncheck this box to hide it. So this way you can do it. You need to show, so just select it, just check this box and click on OK to set it or show it. And you need to hide it, so uncheck this box and click on OK to hide it. This way you can very easily show or hide from formula bar in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.